Danger DIY.
Welcome back to Danger DIY. Today I'm going to be looking at the Avanti Airbrush. It's a compressor combo kit that I picked up from Harbor Freight for about $109. And I'm planning on just trying to use this to see if I can get a better effect for touching up a little bit of spots on my two cars that I tried to do a little bit of paint touch up on. Not real happy with the brushed look, and so I'm going to see if this will actually do a better job for me. So let's get it unpacked and see what's in here and see how easy it is to set up. There's the manual, air hose. Comes with some quick connect fittings. The actual airbrush in a nice little kit. Pretty well already put together inside of here, which is really nice. I don't mind putting stuff together, but I really like it a lot better when it already comes pre-done. Not a very heavy air compressor at all. So just looking at the back, showing what it comes with here. The actual airbrush, little cup for the paint, and then this comes with its regulator here. Looks like a pretty solid little kit here. Let's see how it performs. Long hose actually for painting. It's really nice. And it works really well too. There's a little holder there for the paint. And this is a little quick connect. Little O-ring in there, and I've heard that some people have trouble with these little O-rings, and they found that a flat washer works better. Just see if I have any issues with this at all. So let's go ahead and get this. I just need to open it up a little bit. Really quiet. Wow. It cuts off right at 60. And my understanding is I want this to be about 30. So let's go hook up the pen. It's holding pressure. It's about 40 right there. And that's about 30. So let's go ahead and try that out. I'm actually going to be trying some automotive paint. Some Ford silver paint. I need a lot, so put a little bit in there. Press this away. So I just bought a couple things to try to paint on. I've tested it out before. So I'm going to try the spoon here. And I'm not a airbrush artist, so it's the first time I've ever used an airbrush. Very interesting. You can kind of see there what it looks like. I'm sure I got up a little bit too close to it maybe. But very smooth coverage except for that little spot that I made. Let's see what's on the paper here. So this is just barely out right here. And then this is all the way back. So very fine. Try turning up the pressure just a little bit. Turn it up to 40. See what we get with that. Oh, it's a lot better, I think. I think I definitely have to be careful about it getting too much on it, though. So, like that spot that I got there at the very beginning, I have to be careful about that. Okay, I'm going to bring the car up and see if I can get some of these spots. So after all was said and done, this is the spot. You can definitely see it, but keep in mind it was a complete rust spot earlier. You didn't get to see it before. It was pitted into the metal, and it is very smooth, but definitely a lighter color, and wasn't able to get that perfect at all. But overall, pretty happy overall with the hood of the vehicle. From a distance, it's nearly flawless, and plus I still have hail spots and stuff on it as well. So there was a storm here a couple weeks back. I'm pretty sure my car got the brunt of it. And then of course there's a little chip there that's missing as well. Maybe I'll work on that later. But overall, pretty happy with all the little touch-ups. The airbrush did a really nice job filling that in. Really not that much different than what I was able to do with just a regular brush, but a little bit smoother overall. So I'll play around with it and see if I can get any better, and if I do, I'll update my video. But overall, I'd have to say that the Avanti Airbrush compressor combo kit from Harbor Freight is a pretty good deal, and I really like it, and it's a nice addition of a tool that is something I can use to paint stuff up from time to time. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. And hope everybody has a great day. Take care, and see you next time.
Danger DIY. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.